guys, so we're on the way to the beach. We're gonna have a lot of fun, right? Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're now waiting too long, get up, guys. So this is my fifth day. It's not like a man. You?
It's me.
So guys, are we kind of reach a little close? I'm not sure they're the beautiful view. Hi, Jared. So guys, we're doing a little grocery shopping before we go to the beach. Kind of weird there, but we're doing this, making it happen. Guys, we're gonna try doubles. We tried one already, it was not good, so we're gonna try another one. One looks like this. Try this one. Juicy. Guys, this one not so hot. Tell them 9 out of 1. 10 out of 1.
That's a whole 4. That's disgusting.
Okay guys, so we found a snack. Cheetos Flamin' Hot Crunchy Flamin' Hot. And we never had this one in the black pack, so we're gonna try it. Open it. Let me get one first. So I'll go first. Smells hot. Real lemon, tasting limey. 10 out of 10.
Don't say Flamin' Hot, it's not really hot.
That is Flamin' Hot. It's really hot, guys.
This?
Don't take her one.
just a little bit. So this is a 10.
10, right? It's at 10, guys. It's busting. You wanna try it, Gianna? You wanna try it? Come quick. Alright, he will pass. But it's 10 out of 10. Go and get yours. How much? $7 for it, guys. What's the sleep? We had a blast, guys. My bangs gone. We had a blast. I'm looking black. Jared, how it was? Tell them.
Nice.
It was nice.
Was real good.
It was real good. Check your bangs, Jesus.